What's up guys, it's Gorgeous Graphs here, and welcome back to my channel. You are going to see here the growth of the portfolio value of an initial $10,000 investment over 4 decades animated, while things like the inflation rate or taxes in general are being neglected. A small average annual return rate from the stock market or any other investment strategy of only 3% was used in the compound interest formula to create this line chart. On top of that, for the simplicity of this example, zero volatility and a constant return rate were assumed, which makes the displayed graph look this linear compared to how it would actually look like in the real world, with many temporary up and downs. Remember that past returns do not predict future returns, but in this case, I hope that you can achieve a much better return on your investments over the next 40 years to make you actually wealthy and financially free. This is showing the importance of your return rate and how it can make or break the possibility of you being able to retire or not. Because of the compounding effect, even a slightly higher annual profit margin will make a huge impact for a long-term investor. This animation is an easy example to show the power of compound interest, but on the other hand, it also shows how important the average return rate is and what impact it can have on your overall performance, and therefore your success in your investment journey. You will see that the moderately sized initial investment grew over the years by quite a bit, but by no means you would call this a life-changing return, especially when you consider how long it was invested into the market. I hope you learned something in this video, and I'm sure you will like my future uploads too.